And may gabi na po sa tanan do. Jamming na sad na mga igala. Kani atong program, Jamming Time with your Kuya Fan. So may gabi before I start, no, shout out sa ta so to all Filipino homes, to all Filipino homes boss na to si Boston, Eleuterio, Boss Mark, Villarubia, Boss LD Binigay, and Boss Marge Binigay. Tanan nato bosses nato diha sa mga sa Filipino homes. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. And of course, Team X Factor, Team Swag, ug tanan team sa atong Filipino home. Shout out kay Boss Florante. Kay Bay Cesar. Oh, may gabi ni Bay. And shout out kay Arvin Ubaniana bay ha, Get Wilson. Alang-alang atong mo kuan sa fandemi ni Arvin na nag-send ba nag-link sa ato ang Facebook para sa atong muhatag og tabang sa atong amigo taon nga nasa ospital, no? So, shout out kay Ma'am Cynthia Barrientos na diri. Oh, bigyan ng jacket yan. Kumusta atong kuan diha? Sa alang-alang diri sa Valencia guys, no, balik na punta og kanang clustering ang atong merkado. So mangutana tag unsay ato ang kuan kung asa ta nga purok, asa ta nga barangay na bilong ha. Kay balik na pud og schedule kay dili na tanan mo adto sa merkado kay si tawag ani. Oh. Daghan nag-Kobe. Oh, so maglikay lang. O may makuha sa kuan. Likay-likay lang ta ning sakita mga beshi kay lisod kay karong panahon na no. Sige. And before may start na to nga kanta ni Mike Learns to Rock. Istingan taning Michael Learns to Rock mga beshi. So, shout out day kay Kuan, Maiko. Maikilito ang drummer sa Vagabonds. Shout out day sa mga members of Vagabonds, no? Silang Eddie Boy, Eddie Dax, silang Ken Lagrosa, si Duke. Oh, bay, bro, may gabi ini mo dia, bro. Si Louie Ropinta. Our first song is from Michael Learns to Rock. Jumping. The Milky Way up in the air is reaching out to you, Mr. Moon. She came by, say goodnight to you. I pray for you, I pray for mother, praying for you. Stilan. O bago pa gani nagsugod, wala na, dili na mao. Nadiyat lang ha. Lagot sa daning style ni. Sorry kayo. May see hell. Oh, Browy, may gabi eh. Dili mao ang lyrics. Oh, mangita sa kog lyrics dire. Sleeping child. Forbida. Forbida man yung sleep. Sleeping child. Gimuhimo man sila og kaning nagimuhimo sila og kanang bijoke. Di mao lyrics. Sleeping Child ang kanta dan ang iyang kon aktor. Kalay man siguro ni. Lagot ani. Wala kaila. Si Browy, muna ini si Browy. Kaila, oy, Browy! Oh, kumusta ko din ni Brad Jason. Otro ta, berbeda gini, kuan. Ang tuna sisig dia, napay tuna sisig, perting lamia. O, kanus amo ko mana dia sa inyo ha. Kaya free delivery. Pila ka buok ang atong kuan ha. Igna ko, i-message ko dia. Alright. Take two. The Milky Way up on the heavens is twinkling just for you. And Mr. Moon, she came by to say goodnight to you. I'll sing for you, I'll sing for Mother. We're praying for the world and for the people everywhere, and show them all we can. Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you built your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. If all the people around the world, they had a mind like yours, we have no fighting and no wars. There would be lasting peace on earth. And all the kings and all the leaders could see you here this way. They would hold the earth in their arms. They would learn to watch you play. Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you built your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. I'm gonna cover my sleeping child. Keep you away from the world so wild. Keep you away from the world, away from the world so wild. Shout out to Rafi Bisana, may gabi di abay, may gabi. Uy, Ma'am Leia Tagailo Orizal, may gabi, Ma'am, Mami. And of course, Fugs Alunan, Fugs, mag-download ka ng Kumu. Doon tayo mag-live stream, guide kita. Kumu. Sa asa na, Fugs? Sa cellphone? Kumu? Kumu. Sige. Sa cellphone siguro ni Arnel Moral de Rayos. Pasingit Lods na ni Sir Rene Bon. Owner sa RSB. Sound, Lights and Lights. Request din kong song, Love My Love. Will see you through. Uy, pastilan. My love will see you through. Simba ko. Wa pa man tanatawa ng mga kantahan na. Bro, wa pa man tanatawa ng mga kantahan. Bro, para na kay, siguro, para na kay Boss Rinibon. Dami na artist doon. Download ka sa Play Store or Apple Store. Username ko, Fritz Mix. Sige, Pogs. Try ko yan. Pero kasi yung ano ko, ito yung phone ko, parang wala na to, Pogs. Parang Obsolete na to, obsolete. Ano ba yan? Okay din pang extra income. Oh, extra income. Old songs. Nak, tsada sa voice nimo. Old songs. Sa mga old songs na to dali. Mga magkanta tag old songs unya mami. Karon atong kantahon na mga kanta ni Michael. Oh, Michael Jackson Learns to Rock. Jump lang gyapon mga kala, jump lang gyapon. Takes you out and it takes you out. Yes, he can show you so much. I go to bed and tomorrow again. There's a lot of work to be done. He gives you gold and he promises you the whole world will be yours. I just can't tell you I love you so. Even though my odds are low, I'm not an actor, I'm not a star, and I don't even have my own car. But I'm hoping so much you will stay, that you will love me anyway. The dirty games and the neon shows, this is the world he knows. Watching the stars satisfies my soul. Thinking of me makes me feel so cold. Their fancy cars and the restaurants, you're just so fond of the man. Sometimes I wonder if you were blind. Can't you see he's got dirt in his mind? I'm not an actor, I'm not a star, and I don't even have my own car. But I'm hoping so much you will stay, that you will love me anyway. Anyway, I'm not an actor, I'm not a star, and I don't even have my own car. But I'm hoping so much you will stay, that you will love me anyway. Shout out to Inday Hava. Oh, Inday. May gabi, may gabi. Ano, wala na. Magbati pa kaya ito nga kuan. Ay, maot kaya nga kuan. May maot kaya nga sa... Ush, nagali. Kamaot, baka adyo. Kaning... Our next song is still from the Michael Learns to Rock. It's been so long since we took the time to share the words from deep inside us. We're in a world of spinning wheels, but you know how I feel. Since the first time I took your hand, my love for you has just been growing. You always seem to understand. You know how I am. Oh, I'm gonna love you till the end. I'm gonna be your very true friend. I'm gonna share your ups and downs. I'm gonna be around when you're alone 'cause I'm away. Don't be sad, don't be afraid. I'm gonna turn my thoughts to you like I always do. Yeah, I'm gonna love you till the end. I'm gonna be your very true friend. I'm gonna share your ups and downs. I'm gonna be around. Catch you when you fall, hold you when you're down. Sharing every moment, I wanna show you what to do. I believe I found a miracle in you. I'm gonna love you till the end. I'm gonna be your very true friend. I'm gonna share your ups and downs. I'm gonna be around. I'm gonna love you till the end. I'm gonna be your very true friend. I'm gonna share your ups and downs. Ooh, I'm gonna be around. Shout out to Buknoy, Labitad. Oy bro, Jason, may gabi. Kantadura gyapon, kantaduro gyapon ni si bro Jason. May gabi dia bro. Shout out tayo sa to mga beses diyan. Arnold Ramos ha, may gabi niyo di Arnold. Kay Shawi Ramos, kay Dito Bin, Masarte. May gabi ni mo diya to sa Amerika. Gabi. United States of American Tiki-Tiki Plus. So, sunod na to kantahon, mangita na punta dire. Auto nga blow. Sa may sunod na ito kuntahon ani mga higala ha. So ganito kay testingan tani og makaabot ba ko. Og dili kaabot, pasensya lang. A song from Firehouse. Istingan na to ni mga higala kung makaabot ba. Oy, Pogs! Shout out naman dyan, Rafael Navarro. Pogs, may gabi Wan Shanghao, ni hao, Pogs. Kumusta ko sa imong partner diya, Pogs, at sa inyong family diya, no? Kumusta diya sa Hong Kong, Pogs? Ingat ka dyan palagi, kaibigan. Guess the time was right for us to say we'd take our time and live our lives together day by day and make a wish and say it out a prayer. We know our dreams don't all come true, and loving we can share. 'Cause you will never wonder, will you be there for me? 'Cause you will never wonder, you're the right one for me. I finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. 'Cause every kiss our love is like brand new, and every star up in the sky is made for me and you. Still we both know that the road is long. We know that we will be together because the love is strong. I finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. A love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime, love of a lifetime. Finally found the love. O di ba ipit-ipit birada mga igala. Nga na ipit-ipiton ra na siya para nindot ba ang ang kanta na to, ipit-ipiton ra. Para para makaabot. Shout out to by JJ Soliano and Krista Martinez. Uy, I'll Be Over You by Toto. Kantahi ko Sam, ana Sam. I'll Be Over You. Mura man og kaning tuara. Gikan kay JJ Soliano. I'll Be Over You. Mura magibiyaan. Shout out to Althea Joy Aloba o Mamalin o Ma'am Althea. So, Toto, I'll Be Over You, Toto. Sino nagkanta ni Toto? Muni siyang ang nagkanta si Toto ni no. Ay, Toto. I'll Be Over You. I'll Be Over You. Ay, agala mo, dawat ra kog mga kana, tanay GCash, ay magkabala ka, GCash na to na ni. Kuan ragod. Murag 20 ragod kada kuan kanta. Shout out kay JJ Soliano ha. Ato ring schoolmate na ko sa MBC sa una may kay dulag basketball, no? PBL ni. Kuyaw kay ni. So, kumusta diya bay? Kumusta? Kumusta amping mo diya? So our next song is a requested song from Krista Martinez. I'll Be Over You. Mura magibiyaan sa kuan ng kantahan niya. Sige lang, kantahan na to ni. Mura magibiyaan sa iro. Excuse me po, hindi po COVID yan. O mga kaibigan, ito po sa 24 oras. Excuse me po. Kadugay ba kaya ning tuyok-tuyok pamaning atong unsa ni? Dugay ba kaya ni maka Dugay kay maka unsa ni? Oh. Believe the dreams. Grabe mo may Some people close their eyes. Oh, may warning. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees. There are no alibis. That's how our love must be. Don't ask why. It takes some time. God knows how long. I know that I can forget you as soon as my heart starts breaking anticipated. As soon as forever is through, and I'll be over you. Remember in times gone by, promises we once made. There are the reasons why nothing stays the same. There were the nights holding you close. Someday I'll try to forget them as soon as my heart stops breaking. Anticipating. Soon as forever is through, I'll be over you. Shout out to Ains Kadkal. Aini, request kuya, You Are the Reason. You. O niya, taon-taon siguro, kaya siguro na ko na. Oh. Amping mo din, Pogs. Soon as my heart stops breaking, anticipating, someday I'll be over you. As soon as my heart Folks, amping mo dyan ha, sa all the way from Hong Kong, di ba? Hong Kong. Okay na ba dyan, folks, ang COVID yan? Wala na, dili na stricto sa inyo. Diyan na mo'y gig balik, folks. So lang ato mga beses na to diya nga kaning ngitag sudan season live na yan, pogs. Session lives. Miss you to brother. Kailan ba uwi mo dito? Pero maya na, wag muna kayo umuwi dito kasi mahirap dito sa Pilipinas, pogs. yung mga gigs natin dito, wala kasi gigs dito. So, kung okay ng gigs dyan, wag muna. Mamaya na kayo magbakasyon dito, folks, pag okay ng lahat. Kasi dami ding ano dito, daming positive. Oh. Daming positive. You are the reason. Okay na pero wala pa entertainment. Amo ba? Wala pa gyapon entertainment day gyapon. Salamat sa pagkanta. Tagay kog number. Gcash, send ko later. Grabe, Krista, maninood man sad. Pero, imong tinod-on. Oh. Bitaw. Grabe, maninood man si Krista eh. You are the reason. You are the reason. So, ito na lang yung ano natin, folks. Ito na yung paraan ko sa pag iwas laay ba? Ano ba yung laay sa Tagalog? Boring kasi. Tapos yung boses ko wala na. Wala nang practice. So, ano na lang. Ganito na lang. Jamming na lang dito. Pagkatapos ng duty sa station. You are the reason. Testingin natin to, ha. Ay ni. Kumusta ko diya sa mga batos ni mo diya? You are the reason. You are the reason. It's killing me. Ano? Hindi mo. Roxanne, shout out to Roxanne Digyasan Ogimas. O, di ba? Ogimas. A song from Callum Scott. Binag-o. Kanta sa Tagbago ani. Good evening, Kuya Sam. O, good evening po. Good evening sa inyo diha, no? May gabi sa inyong tanan diha. Amping kanunay mga higala. Our next song is from Callum Scott, You Are the Reason. Istingan na to ni. There goes my heart beating, and you are the reason. I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'll climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, fix what I'm broken. I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my heart shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps beating. I need you now. And if I could turn out the light, make sure the light feel the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. And I'd climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, fix the broken. Lord, 'cause I need you to you were the reason. You were the reason. I need you to hold me tonight. I'll climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I'm broken. 'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason. All right. That was a requested song from Aini. Pigikikan kay Boss Dundi. Maayong gabi. Request ko likong so iskidi. Kay mag-TikTok ming lari. Likong iskidi, iyong maskidi, kura, kura. Ana, ding ding dang. Joke. Saan eh? Dito joke lang. Yung boses DJ Pogs ngayon, DJ ka na, mananalita. Salamat, Pogs. Atik-atik lang yan, Pogs. Atik-atik lang yan. Shout out also to Ate Merna Reyes nga na sa Cebu, no? Tanan sa to mga Cebu diha, Cebuanos na to. Oh, may gabi sa inyong tanan. Ay regards ko ni Manoy Ruin, nilang Hani, nilang Arabo. Og sa tanan mga bata diha, mga batos na to diha. Nang Merna. Diha sa unsay tawag ani? Kaning Cebu. Oh, grabe Cebu. And our next song is from mangita tag kanta sa Karaan na tata. Buble. Bubule. Bubble. Bubble. Idol, pa-shout out ya. Request kong song, Your Man. Kent, Brian, Generalao, Moralde. Your Man. Baby, like them doors and turtle lights down low. Your Man, ha? Sige. Basta na yung mga request ato nagkataon kay Gcash manday na, no? Gcash! 09664, ako lang number. Kung kabulo ko itong isa, nakabulo sa kong number, Gcash. Okay na kayo. Binuang ra na mga higala. Pero kung inyong tinuod doon, ato nang damaton kay panalangin Japon na os nagali. Josh Turner. Sige, tistingan tani yaning Your Man. Uy, o saningan man, wala man. Os naman. Yes man. Request ni si Kuan ni Kent Brian. Si nang Mirna nag-request, mo-request o kung say request nimo nang ano man di man makita, request ko og 1,000 years. 1,000 years. Testingan pang babae man na nang. Testingan na to na niya. Manager Sindo Box. Shout out to Home. Sabi ni. Home from Michael Bublé. Thank you, folks. Home. Okay, Home. Tayo dyan. Shout out to Perry Winkle. And shout out to Larry Bernabe. Karitsi akong request nga Zud and Vai Iskabetse. Iskabetse. Enjoy much. Salamat Silingan. Silingan may gabi niya diha. Ay, nasad Vayet. Ay. Home by Michael Bublé. Requested song from requested by Pugs Rafael. Pugs Paeng. My brother, woda hanghaw da syungdi. Michael Bublé. Okay. Ariyan na si Michael Bublé. So katong alang-alang ato gusto mo request, isulat lang diha, i-type lang diha kay kantaho na to kung makaya. Pero dili gani makaya, pasensya ilang ha. Nya ato lang nang kayahon. Kung dili gani mausap sayop gani, kamo na lay mo sabot. Jaming-jaming ragyapon ito mga igala. Alang-alang ato gusto mo kuhag do tuna sisig, tuna imbutido, tuna chorizo. The song is brought to you by Jensen Tuna Products. Alang-alang sa inyong mga lamian nga pagkaon mga higala. Ala sige, order na dayon mintras napatay stock sa atong Jensen Tuna Products. Tuna chorizo, tuna sisig, tuna longganisa, tuna imbutido para sa tanan. Alright. Ano, i-deliver na ako within the area lang. Within this, kuan kay murag di maglisod patagawas, no? So, diri lang sa Valencia, mga gala. Alang-alang atong gusto mo reseller sa ato ang tuna, Jensen Tuna Products. Igna lang ko kay deliveran na to gihapon anywhere. Nanara diri sa Bukidnon lang sa no? Kaya nang dul-dul ra para free delivery. Salamat siyong di Pukachi folks. May kwanshi. No? Amping-amping gida folks, permente kamo diha. So our next song, sa may next song na ta ani. Wala na. Fei Chang Hao Hao Ting. Ay, salamat, Pogs. Moro ba gini mong kanta, Pogs, no? Uy, saan ito kanta ni mo? Bubli gyapon. Bubli. Idol, musta? Uy, angkol! Understand your perfect thing to say, and you play it good, but it's kinda cute. When you smile at me, you know exactly what to do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't stream your every song, and I'll sing along, 'cause you're my everything. So la 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 la. So la 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 la. Uy, may gabi boss Mark Anthony Villarobia to ang team leader sa X Factor. Boss, may gabi ni mo dia, boss. And amping mo diya sa Cebu. May mo diya sa Cebu kay okay na amo adiri wa pagid gyapon, pagkatoy-toy gyapon kaayo. And our next song is from tistingan nato ning kanta ni Al Juru. Dugay na nako ni wala kanta. Oh. Party diri boss. Kinaraan gyapon boss, kinaraan ni party ni kinaraan ni mga kanta ni. Kantaon na di otro, pero ato di kantaon otro ha. Way ayo maning kuana ni. Oh, maulawan man sad ta ning boss Mark, nara ba si boss Mark dire. Maulawan man sad ta. Upo pa'y maumaoran na itong kanta. Otro na ito mga igala kay wala po ito lyrics pati kayo. Morning Mr. Radio, morning Little Terriers, morning Sister Oreo. Did I tell you everything here is just fine? in my mind. Morning, Mr. Shoeshine Man, shining bright and white and tan. Baby said she loves me, and then I tell you that everything there is just fine. In my mind. My heart has found its wings, searching high and low, and now at last I know. Morning, Sister Golden Gate, I should walk but I can't sway. I can't wait to see it straight. I was shaken but now I'm making it fine. In my mind, my heart will soar with love that's rare and real. My face will feel every cloud, then higher still, beyond the blue until I know I can, like every man, reach out my hand and touch the face of God. Bugnawag tingog ni mo, boss. Oy, mura makainom daw man sa tagbugnaw nga soft drinks. It's my life, sunod, boss. It's my life. Yawa, it's my life, ha, birada. Nakrak sa na yung mga boss, ha? Excuse me if I sing, my heart has found its wings, searching high and low, and now at last I know. Morning, Mr. Radio, morning, little Cheerios, morning, Sister Oreo. Did I tell you that everything there is just fine? My mind. So when you get up, pati kanta ni Aljero. Aljero to Aljero. Bugnaw kayo, murag kaning ice. Shout out to Kim Ryan Belmes Somblingo. Di ba? It's my life. Sabay gusto nimo katong It's my life nga kuan, boss, katong Indian version.